The Etekcity Smart Fitness Scale is the perfect tool to help you stay on top of your health and fitness. Here are some helpful instructions for how to set up and use your new Smart Fitness Scale. First, download VeSync from the App Store or Google Play. Once it's downloaded, create an account to continue setting up your Smart Fitness Scale. With a VeSync account, multiple users can use the Smart Fitness Scale by creating their own profiles that connect to the Smart Scale. After creating your account, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, tap the plus icon on the VeSync homepage and select your Smart Scale. Follow the in-app instructions to finish connecting your Smart Scale to VeSync. After connecting to VeSync, place your scale on a hard, flat surface or on a carpet that's 10 millimeters or shorter. Placing the scale on soft surfaces or a long carpet may cause inaccurate measurements. Place your dry, bare feet on the scale. Then step off and wait for the scale to clear. Then, step back onto the scale until the digits on the display flash 3 times, showing your final measurement. View your results in the VeSync app or sync to your favorite fitness app. You can also view other measurements such as BMI, body fat, and more in the VeSync app. To set personal goals, tap the Set Goal button to set your target weight, target body fat, and your target date. To weigh babies or pets, tap the Baby Mode button on the scale's homepage and follow the in-app instructions. Turn on Zero Current mode in device settings, which turns off the scale's electrical current and only provides measurements for weight and BMI. This mode can be helpful for users who are pregnant or who have implanted medical devices such as pacemakers. Now that your scale is set up and ready to go, you can start reaching your fitness goals with the Etekcity Smart Fitness Scale.